Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aulia Rizka Malia. I'm from class 5A English Education UIN Raden Intan Lampung. The purpose I make this video because I'm gonna complete the final project from morphology subject and Miss Reti Wahyuni as my lecturer. Alright, now I'm gonna explain you about what the purpose and what the important that we have to learn about morphology syntax. Before that, I wanna ask you about what's the definition of syntax. The definition of syntax is the study of the principles and process by which sentences are constructed in particular language. Syntactic investigation of a given language has its goal the construction of a grammar that can be viewed as a device of some sort or for producing the sentence of the language under analysis. That's the definition of syntax based on the expert Noam Chomsky 2000. And syntax is subjects or course on the principles and process which are arranged in a particular language. Research on syntax in certain language has drawbacks, and where grammar can be seen as a tool to produce a sentence in a language. In the syntactic science, it will be divided. There are two syntactics. The first is syntactic categories and the second is syntactic classes. The syntactic categories is one that exists in syntax. A series of words in a phrase, clause, or sentence can be identified one by one through syntactic categories. Syntactic categories are also known as word classes or part of speech. Part of speech is a traditional term to describe the different types of words which are used to form sentence, such as noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, and interjunction. In the syntactic categories, there are 2 points of the syntactic categories. The first is lexical categories and second is non-lexical categories. And the lexical categories is a class that is in a syntactic category whose existence is the main role in the forming a sentence. The lexical category is also known as the open class, which consists of noun, adjective, preposition, adverb. Lexical categories is functional categories are called as closed class or closed classes. The non-lexical category consists of a determiner, auxiliary word, conjunction, and degree word. And we can continue the 2 points of syntactic. The second point is syntactic classes. The syntactic class is one that exists in syntactic studies. The syntactic class is divided into 4, namely words, phrases, clauses, and sentence. Syntactic class is one having a distinct functional potential. The words derived by a particular lexical process, however, will not be referred to by any rule of syntax. Now I'm gonna explain you about the syntactic classes. The first point is words. The word is one of the grammatical units that can stand alone and have meaning, and explain that one or more sounds which can be spoken to represent an idea, object, action, and etc. The smallest unit, spoken language which has meaning and stand alone. For example, door and adore. The example above shows that door and adore are words. The word door is an entity word that can be seen with the naked eye. The word adore is a word, but it's not an entity because the word adore is a verb. Usually, the syntax is marked with a tree diagram and symbols to make it easier to name parts of speech when examined one by one. To make a tree diagram, you need to be able to compare words, phrases, and clauses. These three things can help you analyze each part that has the potential to form a perfect sentence. Right now I'm gonna explain you about the tree diagram, and there is one sentence we still haven't heard from John, and this one, the first is as a subject, and this is noun phrase, adjective, auxiliary, and then we as a noun phrase, still as a adjective, and haven't as a auxiliary. And there is a verb phrase and divide to point. The first is verbs, and here as a verb, and from as a phrase, and this is John as a noun phrase. That's all from me. I hope you got the point and it's useful for me and for you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.